In-cab contamination and corrosion are serious issues facing the trucking industry. Now more than ever, drivers need to be mindful of what is pulled into the cab and how any contaminants can impact driver health and safety. Most fleets and drivers have implemented new in-cab cleaning procedures to help mitigate potential risk. There's a cost to this, as cleaning the inside of a truck takes time and materials. By utilizing tray-style floor mats, fleets and drivers can expedite and improve in-cab sanitation efforts. Minimizer's raised edge contains any mess, and these mats can be removed with minimum hassle. It takes seconds, not hours, to remove the dirt, grime, chemicals, and contaminants. Keep your cab safe and clean by investing in custom molded floor mats, the best way to keep contamination at a distance.